Alright, welcome back. So today I'm gonna go get some not like candy machines. I'm gonna show y'all when I get there, but it's 2 for $100. We're gonna find out if they're worth it. I'm trying to start like a little side hustle thing, so hopefully I make my money back and I don't take a L. So we're gonna get to it. So just make sure you stay tuned because it's gonna be a pretty interesting video for some of y'all. If y'all looking to start a little like candy machine business, whatever. But hopefully he hasn't sold them to anybody else and I can get my hands on them. So alright, y'all, just made it to the spot. We're gonna find out. Alright, y'all, so I just got my candy machines. These are it. Look, they're called 2 for $100, which I think got a deal. Or no, I think it was a pretty good deal. I searched them up, how much they usually go for. They usually go for a lot more for just ones. And I tested them out, make sure they worked. So I'm gonna show y'all the insides. I didn't show y'all the keys. Wait, where my keys at? I already lost the keys. Here are the keys. Hopefully I make some bank off of these. Alright, so these are it. I'm gonna show y'all the insides when I get home. And I'm gonna show y'all how to work these. Man, I'm so excited. Let's hope I make some money. Alright, y'all, so I got my machine. I'm open. It's open. I'm check. Oh, I can't open the machine. Oh. Alright, so the machine inside. I'm opening this machine. This is a machine, little trays. I'm gonna show you the other front. This is the front. Alright guys, if you did watch the video, thank y'all for watching. This is my first candy vending machine, so I'm gonna do the next video when I find a spot to put them at, and I'm gonna show y'all how that goes, and hopefully I can find a spot.